am NANAJKAR from Jyoti CNC Automation Ltd, handling Huron India vertical. Welcome to the TACMA Mumbai exhibition. We have displayed here Huron simultaneous 5-axis machine GU series model GU5, especially for manufacturing your complex and intrinsic die and mold application components, and this will definitely help you to have a high precision and accuracies with the faster machining speed. This will help you in your intrinsic shape and size of die and mold application. And we have got a very good response in this exhibition from the customers, and we welcome you to our booth to witness the machine, and see you again.